Very good. So this time I have Prestige 2017-18 from Panini. This was sent via eBay. I bought it from a guy who was selling the package. Actually, it was a kit of 4 of sorry about that, for a card value pack of 30 cards. It was 4 package of this, and so I'm gonna be opening 1 per day. So let's start with the first package. So it says here that we have to look for exclusive rain and micro etch bright green parallels. All right, let's get to work. So this is the first package out of 4. What's gonna be the dynamic opening cards? I'm not going to go through all cards and just pass it over. What I'm gonna do is I will set apart or aside the ones that I consider for my personal collection, players that I think they have value in the market, and special cards. If I see a rookie, I will separate as well, and the parallels. So this package is 30 cards. The first one is Rodney Hood. It's a base card. Nikola Mirotic. Julius Randle. I'm gonna set this aside because I think Julius Randle will get better seasons now with the Pelicans. Okay, I'm gonna flip over these cards. Probably I will turn around this the whole way. Miles Turner, Jeremy Lamb, Chris Middleton. I think this guy is pretty good. He has a really good 3-point jump shot, but let's be honest, his contract is really overstated, overreacted. I don't know why the league is issuing a lot of contract like that, but the guy is good, but not as good as other players that has, I think, less contract value. Brandon Ingram, good. I put this aside. Jaylen Brown, I think this guy is gonna be, hitting some good seasons with the Celtics. Very athletic. Jeremy Lin, I think he's no longer in the NBA. Please send your comments about it. Taurean Prince, never seen this guy before. So we have parallel Damian Dotson from the New York Knicks. It's not number, it's just a green card. Wasn't a rookie too. I will turn out these ones and I put it for later. Alex Len, Sindarius Thornwell, rookie card. I will put this on the rookie side. Rudy Gay, Tyler Lydon, rookie card. Put this one aside. Trevor Ariza, when he was on the Houston Rockets. Milos Teodosic, he's a rookie in the NBA, but not quite a rookie. It's very very good passing the ball. I haven't seen him. Probably he quit the NBA. Rookie card. CJ Miles. Jonathan Isaac rookie card. I think this guy is gonna be exploding in the next seasons. Let's see that rookie card. Carmelo. Tony Bradley rookie card. Otto Porter Jr. I have this guy already. Lonzo Ball rookie card. Ooh, Will Chamberlain, all-time greats. With Philly, I like the logo there. 76ers. It is a rain card. It says here, rain. Can you see it? Rain card. Very nice. Hardcore Heroes, Lonzo Ball. This is a good card. All-time greats. The Glide. Rookie class. Og Anunoby. I think he was making good numbers in the season. Rookie class. LeBron James. Stat stars. Insert. Alec Burks and Ryan Anderson. Both, I think it's rain cards. It doesn't say, yeah, it says here very slightly right there. So it was for today. I think tomorrow I'm gonna have another video. These were some of the rain cards that I get. LeBron James rookie class, all-time greats, hardcore heroes, Will Chamberlain, Lonzo rookie, Tony, Melo, Miles rookie cards. The rest are base cards. Julius Randle with this aside. Jaylen Brown and Brandon Ingram aside. Okay guys, that's all for today. Stay safe.